What is good, my people? It's your boy Denzel FX. We're back again. Today we're doing a trade recap on our favorite pair, US30. So on my previous video, we had done an analysis on this in the pre-market analysis for price to push to the downside. But before price was to push to the downside, we did expect a quick long from this region to this region to take us to the downside. I actually didn't get involved in the short that had played out. I had missed that, but it is good to see my forecast come to life, you know. But with that being said, we're going to check out and see exactly why I took this position here for the quick long for a nice 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. I will add some videos and some screenshots attached to the screen here with that on MetaTrader 4. So let's just jump straight into it here and see exactly why I took that long. Here on US30, we can see that there was a clear impulse followed by a correction with the trend. So what I was basically doing, I was trading within this corrective move here, as I was expecting an impulse after that, because you need to know what type of phase you are in the market. There's two phases: impulse, corrective. Here I was fully aware that we are in the corrective phase, so I took to my advantage to enter before price impulse yet again. So the first things first was we had our trend line here protecting the price. The second thing that we need to understand about trend lines is they're not only trend lines, you can also use them as support or resistance. So here we can see it was a clear form of support. Price came, support, this is our first touch. It came again to act as support. Boom, second touch, and we always know on the third touch, price will always respect, 9 times out of 10, it will respect the trend line to continue pushing to the upside. So that was that. The second thing we had done was we had went to our line chart and found that level of demand. So here we can see it was kind of acting as a supply and demand region, but more of a demand. Support, 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 broke below, came above, acted as support to form a double bottom there. Okay, so the next thing we had done was we had dove into the 1 hour. Was it the 1 hour? No, sorry. We had went straight into the 2 hour time frame here. So we could see that this was a clear double bottom there, as you can see. So what we had done, clear as day, simple. We drew our fib from our low to our high, and price came to our minus 27, which is our first take profit, and also our reverse region. So with that being said, we can see that price actually came to our anticipated zone and pushed to the downside as expected from the previous video. So this was literally the quick short the quick long I had taken here. It's very nice to see that play out. I believe I had 2 entries on this analysis here. One took me straight to take profit, and my second one hit my trailing stop to push back to the downside. Because on top of that, I did see a break of structure here, so I thought price was going to come back and push to the upside, but that wasn't the case. Price literally came back, pushed down, and came to our level of support, which is where it is at right now. So I wouldn't be surprised to see price, you know, move correctively back to this trend line, retest, and push back to the downside. But I'm going to save that for another video. But with that being said, my people, that was literally the quick trade breakdown on US30. I'm going to leave it at that. Let there be peace in the Middle East, and let my brothers and sisters be safe.